Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. So also here the situation is still that so far in this entire move down, MATIC hasn't given us any indication that a low is in place. Lower prices have been expected also still in my last video yesterday. The idea was that we go down lower to around 68 cents where we had the next sort of decision point. Important fib level. Obviously it just broke through it straight through this structural support area. It was also Fibonacci support around 68 cents, but MATIC was unimpressed and is dropping down lower. So in this video what we want to do, we want to talk about relevant support levels, and the risk of making a new bear market low, which is certainly there. I mean, I'm very honest with you. I would not have expected that much of a drop. But there again, you can see, first of all, the risk of the altcoins, which I repeatedly highlight, but then also how important it is to wait for a signal, a reversal signal, while we can identify relevant areas of support and everything, until the analysis gives us a reversal signal, we have to expect that the trend is continuing. And it's not outside of our scope, it's not outside of our scenario, and let's talk about what is possible here. So MATIC is now coming down getting close to the 78.6 fib level. I've been highlighting over the last few months that there is nothing bearish on this chart until MATIC breaks below the 78.6 fib level, and it hasn't done that yet. It's actually sort of dealing with the golden ratio here at the moment, around 59 cents. But it obviously broke below it, and these wicks often get filled. So I would not be surprised to test 48 cents. And to be honest, it seems to be increasing negative momentum. And until we have a reversal signal, I did communicate it already in the live stream today. Just be careful, okay? But that's sort of been the narrative for the last few weeks. Just be careful. No coin showed us a reliable reversal signals. Some coins like Solana, Quant, LDO, they showed some potential. We tracked that, but only really 3 to 4 coins. But they didn't confirm it. Okay, so they didn't confirm it. So we always need 5 waves up, 3 waves down. If the 3-wave pullback fails, downtrend continues. And MATIC didn't even show us anything like that at this stage. So what are the relevant support levels? They are 47 cents, 48 cents. Then we've got 40 and then 31. The problem is if we break below that 48 cent level and price sustains there, it is very likely for it to make a new bear market low. If that happens, would it be a disaster? Wouldn't necessarily be a disaster. We would then be now in the last move down in this bear market, and would just reset it all a little lower. And what kind of count would we have? What would be the bearish wave count? A real bearish wave count which would send us below the June low, for me would be here a wave 1, a wave 2, and then we need to see. It looks to me as if this here is another 1-2 setup, possibly another 1-2 setup, and we could then head down lower and we would still be in the third wave. Basically 1-2, or even 1-2. We're still in the third wave, just thinking of other options. But really, if this was a 3-wave move to the upside, okay, then in the bearish interpretation, the only way I can really count it is to assume that we are still in this third wave to the downside. And if I take the Fibonacci extensions, take the length of the wave 1, go to the high of the wave 2, then we talk here about roughly the 22-23 cent level for this third wave, then a fourth and a fifth. Now this is the bearish count. Again, not suggesting it will go to 0 or anything, but we can only analyze what we see. We see a significant price drop. We see no signal that the downtrend has stopped, and we see rather an increase in negative momentum. I mean, just take a look at the daily MACD, which is going lower. Of course, way oversold now, which is not always a good sign. Okay, way oversold now on the daily RSI. So yeah, unfortunately, this is at risk of breaking into a bearish scenario. But again, there's obviously still a chance, but there's always a chance. So my message remains just to be careful on the way down. I'm adding a few positions here and there. I think I've now added a couple of positions, but they are tiny. They are tiny. I can shrug them off if it dies, which I don't assume it will, but I can shrug them off. We can really always only set tight stops if a reversal signal has occurred. After a 5-wave move up, a stop can be set, but we haven't got that situation here. So I will keep you updated as soon as I see an impulse to the upside, and that can happen quickly in the crypto market. So it's very exciting at the moment. As soon as I see an impulse, possibly at one of these support levels indicated, I will make you aware. If you like the most up-to-date information, check out the channel membership. But besides that, we just need to wait for a signal. Okay, and the trend is clearly down, negative momentum increasing. Bear in mind 48 cents, the next support. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.